Hey guys, how's everyone doing? So I just picked up this neat little accessory. It's dual fans here that you attach to the headrest. Also has a suction cup that you could put on your dash, but I think the more practical way is putting it on the headrest. Let me open it up and show you. So here's the suction cup I'm talking about, but I think the best way to use this would be put it on the headrest. Has a swivel here, and you just attach it to the headrest post. You can really fine tune it. A lot of adjustability there. I think this would be great if you have kids riding in your back seat. And even if you have vents back there, as we all know, they're not that powerful. If you park your car out and it's really hot, this would be a great way to cool off your kids, especially if you have like an infant. Keep them really cool until your AC can kick in. Or if you're just sitting in the car and you don't want to run the AC, you can just use this. Doesn't draw a whole lot of juice, so you won't kill your battery if you're sitting there for 10-15 minutes. Really nice. I'll go ahead and put it in the Honda Pilot, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so here it is. As you can see here, it just goes around the post for the headrest. Like I said, there's a lot of adjustability in there, so it'll fit almost any headrest. Really easy. You just adjust this down. Then it has a swivel there. Right here, you just adjust that collar, and it'll allow this whole union to swivel up and down, depending on how you want it. And then you just tighten it back when you have it set. See right there? That's loose here. So if you want to point it down or up, then you just tighten it back where you want it. And you're good to go. And then the fans themselves swivel and spin as well. So you can really fine tune it. I like it. It has a adjustable controller on it. Just plugs in. So you can go high or low with the fans. Really nice. Here's a little speed control here. Nice little accessory. And right now, using my promo code, you get 30% off, guys. It's a good deal right now. It'll cost you under $30 for this. So here they are. They put a lot of air out. And that's not even the highest speed. Big difference compared to the little console vent that they have. So like I said, definitely help cool your kids off, an infant especially, because we know if you live in a hot area, the cars can get really hot inside. So it's pretty safe to use with this, but this blows a lot more air than those vents do, especially being up high right here. So there's the controller. Lights up. Know that it has power to it. And I'll go ahead and put it on the highest setting here. Okay, so the thing's really cranking air right now. It's hard to visualize that, but it is pushing a lot of air. I'll get like a piece of plastic and I'll try to show you how much it's moving. Okay, so I don't know if this is gonna really help you see that, but it's really moving the bag. Like I said, I don't really have them adjusted. I just kind of put them in there. But it's blowing a lot of air. So I am impressed with these. How much air they put out. I didn't think it'd put out this much, but you can see it just blows the bag right back to the seat. A lot more than any vents will. So the practicality of this, I think, is perfect if you have infants. My kids are a little older, but I remember when I had infants, it gets really hot and it's really hard for the child. So it's an easy way to cool the car off. Now, not necessarily use it while you're driving, but say you're using it when you're letting your car cool down. And you put your kid in there, it'd be nice and cool. So I highly recommend it. Definitely check the link in the description, guys, and save yourself 30% using John 30. So it'll be in the description as well. So definitely check it out. Like I said, it's a real practical item to have, especially if you live anywhere where it's really hot. So I highly recommend it. So I appreciate it, guys. Hope everyone's doing good, staying safe out there. If you haven't, please like and subscribe. Appreciate that. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks, everybody.